Welcome to Vikra Seller, a platform that enables sellers to create their own online stores, list products seamlessly on the open network for digital commerce (ONDC), and participate in India's growing e-commerce ecosystem. In this video, we'll have a complete walkthrough of Vikra. First, let's sign up with Vikra. Go to www.vikra.com. Click Sell on ONDC. Enter your name, email address, phone number, password, and select the state. Go through the terms of service and privacy policy and mark the checkbox. Once done, click Create Account. In this page, enter your store name. Next, select the business domains you operate in. Enter your phone number. Select your current POS and online store to help us cater to your requirements. This is optional, and you can choose to skip this. Change the language if required and mark the checkbox after going through the terms and conditions. Click Save and Continue. In the Getting Started page, click Complete Setup to complete the store setup. If you're a GST registered business, enter the GSTIN number. If not, select Not Registered and enter the required details. Mark the checkbox if your business is MSME registered. Here, enter all the necessary details related to your store. Next, you'll have to enter your KYC details. Click Add KYC details. Here, upload the GST certificate. Now, upload your PAN card. You can upload your shop and establishment registration certificate. Next, attach your address proof. Select your bank and populate the necessary details. Now, populate the FSSAI details. Enter your internal contact details and the store contact details. These details will be used by the Vikra seller team to reach out to you in case of escalations and KYC information. Once done, click Save and Submit. Next, enter your store details. You can upload your store logo, tagline, and description for your store. Once done, click Save and Next. Select the store timings. Add holidays if required. Once done, click Save. In the next page, select the convenience fee preference. The convenience fee will be collected based on this. Next, select the fulfillment type. If you select the first option, Vikra Seller will help you find a logistics partner registered on the ONDC network who will handle shipping and delivery of orders to the buyers. If you select the second option, you will be handling the delivery process by yourself, thereby not relying on Vikra Seller for logistics. Mark the checkbox to set minimum order value and enter the cart value. Set up your shipping preference in this page. Once done, click Save. Now, let's create items for your store. Click Add Opening Stock, select the item type, populate all the required details, and click Save and Next. In this tab, add your opening stock details. Click Save. The item will be saved in your organization. Once all the steps are done, you can publish the store and start selling. Now let's go through the modules in Vikra. In the home page, you can view dashboard where the key metrics of your organization will be displayed. You can view the count of unpublished items, pending orders, return requests, overdue tickets, and out of stock items. You can also view the statistics of sales order count, sales order summary, top selling items, sales summary, top performing regions, cancellation reasons, return reasons, and settlements. In the stores module, you can add more stores by clicking plus new. You can also view unpublished stores and published stores. In the items module, you can create and view items in your store. Click plus new to create an item. Click edit if you need to make any changes to the item. To take out the item from ONDC, click remove from ONDC network. To manage stock of the item, click manage stock. You can also view the overview, transactions, history, store and batch details of the item. Click the more icon to delete, mark as inactive, or to clone the item. Price list section allows you to have custom pricing for all the items or individually, enabling different prices across outlets or customer segments. Click plus new to create a price list. Populate the name, price list type, description, pricing rule, and round off preference. The inventory adjustments module lets you update stock levels in case of any changes like sales, returns, damages, or other discrepancies. To create an inventory adjustment, click plus new, enter the reference number and select the store. Now select the items and populate all the required fields. Once done, click Save. The adjustment will be made for the items. Once buyers purchase products from your store and place an order in the buyer application, the sales orders with a confirmed status will be generated in Vikra Seller. After you receive the sales order, the next step is to pack it. You can create a package for a sales order. Once the package is created, you can mark it as packed and ship it to the buyer. If you are self-shipping the sales order to your buyer, you can do it by clicking Create Shipment on the package preview page. In the carrier field, select the courier partner through which you ship the sales order. Enter the service name, tracking number, tracking URL, and select the dispatch date. If you've selected Network Logistic Partner Shipping as your sales order fulfillment method, the ONDC network will connect you with a network logistics partner who will manage the shipping and delivery of your products to your buyers. There are times when a buyer may want to return a sales order for multiple reasons. In such a case, they can choose to return the items from the buyer application. The returns will be listed under the Sales Returns module. If you've received the product, you can mark the sales return as received. To do that, select the return and click Receive. Populate the receive date and click Receive. The order will be marked as returned. A settlement is the payment you receive from Vikra Seller for products sold through the app. In this module, you can view the settlements made. You can also export them as a CSV, TSV, or XLS format. Support panel lets you manage buyer support requests related to orders. Queries raised in the buyer app will be created as tickets in Vikra Seller. Select a ticket. You can reply to the ticket by yourself or assign it to a user. To assign, click Assign and select the user. They can acknowledge the ticket and send the acknowledgement message. Once the issue is resolved and the reply is sent, click Resolve. Populate the action type, resolution, and the remarks. The ticket will be marked as resolved. Reports give you a clear picture of your store's sales, payments, and stock flow. Vikra Seller has a set of default reports using which you can get an insight on your sales. You can view reports related to sales, inventory, location, receivables, and activity logs. You also have the option to customize the report based on your preference. To do it, select a report. Here, select the date range, populate the entities and more filters, if required, and click Run Report. To export the report, click the Export drop-down and select the file format required. Now let's look into the settings page. Under branding, you can upload the logo you want to display on transaction PDFs, as well as select the appearance and brand colors for your organization. In Vikra, you can assign a user as someone who can access your Vikra seller organization. You can invite multiple users to your organization. To invite a user, click plus Invite User. Here, enter the name, email address, select role, and mobile number. Once done, save and continue. In roles, you can create custom roles and assign it to your users. Click New Role. Here, enter the role name and select the required permissions. Once populated, click Save. The role will be saved in your organization and you can assign it to your users. Under shipping zones, you can configure shipping rates and locations to deliver your products. Notification preferences lets you set up how users get notified. In the taxes settings, you can add new tax rates and exemptions. Under user email notifications, you can choose various email configurations for your transactions and set up notification preferences for other modes of communication. Sometimes you may prefer not to use the default transaction numbers. In the transaction number series section, you can customize the series specific to your store for all your invoices and sales orders. Now let's move on to PDF templates. PDF templates are used to customize the look and feel of your transaction's PDF. Here, you can choose to edit an existing template or add a new one. You can configure templates for any of the transactions mentioned here. You can also configure settings for items, packages, shipments, sales orders, and sales returns. In integrations, you can set up integrations with other Zoho applications like Zoho Inventory, Zoho Books, and Zoho Commerce. That wraps up the quick walkthrough of the Vikra Seller application. Thanks for watching.